Hi everybody, I just wanted to check in and say that we are all packed up and ready to head out to Toronto. We're going to be spending our weekend relaxing in the hotel. We have a conference to go to, and then we're also going to go to IKEA and a couple other places. We'll check in periodically over the weekend.
What are you excited to get here?
Everything.
Are you on a mission today?
I'm on a mission to get everything. Oh, look at these chairs. I want to get this chair.
Are you enjoying the view of the lake?
The highway?
Of our $10 million cottage? Well, I have a surprise for you. Close your eyes. Dinner's ready.
Thank you.
It's a chicken.
Yes, it is.
It's a giant chicken.
Mm-hmm.
It only cost me $1. Pretend like we're cooking.
No, we're on.
I need the corn. I need to saute these honey melons.
Honey melons. This is the setup I want, but with the wider. There's so many chairs, baby. There's so many.
This is what you're looking for?
This is the one. Yeah. Two of those.
You want 2 of those?
Oh yeah. I'm so excited. Look how teeny tiny this thing is. This is adorable. I don't want to look so cheesy. Hi.
Okay, so we're looking for a chair.
Yeah, I don't think we're gonna find one here though.
Why we need a chair?
Because I broke mine.
You didn't break it. The chair just broke.
My butt broke it.
You're looking for like an office chair?
Yeah. But I saw a lot online that I like, so I'm probably gonna go that route.
What?
I love this.
Nice big walk-in closet.
For the lack of clothes that I have.
You have too many clothes. Open this up.
That's pretty cool.
There's a light inside of it.
Where's the bag?
What kind of shelving?
Any kind. Do I need any?
We were looking at the ones upstairs that you wanted.
Which ones? I don't remember. There's been so much stuff.
I got it on video.
Okay.
Do you want to play hopscotch?
No, I don't want to play hopscotch.
Can I play hopscotch?
Yeah, go ahead. There's one for dogs. They could put their leashes on it.
I see a giant purple light.
I want a giant purple light. Where? Oh, that's so pretty.
There's a lot of purple in here.
This one. You're gonna have to help me pick them up.
Aisle 6, bin 43.
Well, that's not right.
It's right here.
That's not it though.
No, because that's 379.
Oh, it's right here. It's right here on the other side.
There's another 43.
In white. We have to make sure it's in white. And then we also have to make sure that we get the correct number of packages, because sometimes there's like 1 and 2. Doesn't say in there. Okay, I guess it's just this then. I think it's these ones. I just want to see. Yeah, it's these ones. So it'll have this much in between. Like, do you think that'll look good?
Is your dryer gonna fit between that?
Yes, I did make sure it was less than 8 inches when I was doing the research.
Okay, then I think it'll work.
Okay, so we need 2 of these then. Yeah. Okay, so that's 4. And I think that's the only thing left.
Yay!
We're done.
Oh.
We just finished at IKEA. We got all of the stuff for my new custom built desk that we're going to be making when we get back to town. We're very, very excited about it. We got the 2 bookcases, tabletop, and everything else we need. And we'll show you some pictures as soon as we have it built. Say bye, IKEA.
Where are we at?
Dave and Buster's.
What are we gonna do?
Play games and eat food.
Hell yeah.
What am I?
You're red.
Well,
Aww. You going again?
I can't. It's still lost.
Wait, what happened?
I think I hit a bomb the first thing.
Did you win?
I don't know.
We're at Dave and Buster's. Very loud in here, so I'm not sure how the audio is gonna be.
Very true.
But a lot of games. You excited?
I'm excited to win prizes.
Yeah, good job. right in the middle. Okay, mine I think was 73. You got 90 pins? Good job. How did I time out? Okay, I'm gonna get all the pins, okay?
Okay.
Oh man, I messed up. Oh, 75 and 50.
All right.
Wait, it gave me 74.
I did that to me too. I'm just gonna keep going until basketball is free.
Yeah, me too. Wait, we both got 75.
And 74 again.
Yeah, why is it only 74 tickets? We should send this to Dave and Buster's and tell them they're scamming us. You got 40 this time.
Let's go.
Dinner time. What are we getting?
Pretzels.
And?
More pretzels.
What's our main?
Fish and chips.
Oh, this looks delicious. Who's blue?
Me.
Red player.
one more Connect Fours.
Hi everybody, we just finished at Dave & Buster's for the night and the video is going to end here so that it's not too long, but the rest of the video, part 2, will be all about the conference. Thanks so much and have a great day.